Hey, Rambler parents, it's Mr. Mead calling, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on how our week went and what's coming up. Doing a lot of fraction work. This week we focused on learning how to multiply fractions, and we'll be carrying that over into next week. Our fraction unit should be good for about another week and a half. This next week is a full week, and then after that we've got a shortened week for parent-teacher conferences and also for the President's Day weekend. And so that week is when I'm looking to do our assessment, which is our next unit test. So be planning ahead for that. We've got about 2 weeks until that happens, but just for your own planning purposes, that's when our next unit test I'm shooting for. If we have snow days, that could obviously push it back, and we'll adjust accordingly. Also started a new unit in science about how animals interact with each other. Some animals compete for the same kinds of food. Some animals hunt each other or other animals, and some animals actually cooperate. They work together to help each other. So we're learning about those pairings in science class. And also speaking of conferences, we've got conferences coming up, not next week, but the week after. And tonight we sent home our progress reports and also NWEA scores. So be watching for those. If you don't get your child's progress report for any reason, like if it gets accidentally lost, just let me know. You can email me at marcus.mead@mcbain.org, and I'll get you a new one sent home right away. But check those out, and when you see them, it would also be worth logging into PowerSchool with your child, because even since those were printed on Wednesday, I've had homework come in, and grades have changed. We're in a very fast-moving environment here. And as assignments come in, I grade them, and that can cause the grades to go either up or down. So there are some students whose grades have improved significantly since the progress reports were printed because they wanted to make sure that work was done. As always, if you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, marcus.mead@mcbain.org, and I'll send you some pictures from our day of play this afternoon. The kids had an awful lot of fun. So I hope that you have a wonderful time with your family this weekend. Go Ramblers.